Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable Authenticator app on your Discord account. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into user settings. Now let me quickly make it better. Here we got the multi-factor authentication. We're going to enable Authenticator app. And now what we need to do is we need to grab our phone and go to the app itself. So here I have it. Now we're gonna get started. I'm gonna continue as my account and click add a code. We're gonna scan a QR code, and I'm scanning the code from the screen. Let's allow the app to use our camera. And as you guys can see, we got our Discord right here. Now if we want to activate it, we need to go over and enter the password. We're gonna click activate, and now we're entering our password. So once we enter the password, as you guys can see, 2FA is activated. We can also add a passkey and download backup codes. So here we can back them up. I'll back them up on my desktop. And that's basically how you guys can set it up. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.